What's up everyone? We're learning something new today. This is 2-Minute Tuesday. That was odd. Alright, we're not wasting any time today. This is a quick one-handed flourish you can perform. A little tricky, be patient with it, let's get into it. Alright, this is not the most complicated move, it's very repetitive, but you do have to stretch your hands in ways you typically would not be used to. So you would start with your index, ring, and middle finger on the front part of the deck here. Your pinky is on this end, thumb is at the top. You're gonna use your index finger to separate out the bottom packet, okay? This is essentially, they're gonna switch places now. This top packet is gonna slide off while this one's being peeled behind, but this top packet is gonna rest cradled with these three fingers. So this is what it looks like. You're gonna bring it back. You're actually gonna clear this top packet. They're gonna switch places and you're essentially going to be left in a charlier cut position. So this is the beginning of a charlier cut. You want to end up in this position right here, okay? So one more time, with the index finger, you're going to separate out, you're going to cradle the top packet with these three fingers. Meanwhile, the index is dragging this card or this packet back behind and over. Then you're going to be left in this position. You're going to redo the same exact thing. However, this top packet is going to still slide down and you're actually going to bring this new packet and this bottom one all over. You'll see in a moment here. Index again, separate it out, stretch those fingers to allow this packet to slide all the way, and this time you're bringing these two packets up over this one, essentially repeating the same thing. Now, you can keep that going over and over again for as many times as you want, as long as you have enough cards to keep performing that move. So that's the first step. The first step is just practice getting this packet over and clearing it, and then perform it one more time. Now, after you do it maybe once or twice, again, you can keep going, but after you do it maybe once or twice, the next part is going to be this revolution. Your thumb and your index are going to control this, but you're going to essentially have to pivot this around and it's going to come underneath this packet in order to clear it. So when you get into this position, I'll just give myself a little more cards. Okay. Here, now what you're gonna do is your fingers are actually gonna reach around. Your ring finger is actually going to grasp this packet. Your thumb is gonna let go because now it's being held by your index and ring finger. It's gonna pivot all the way around, and this part does take a little getting used to. But once it pivots all the way and your pinky can help it on the back end here, your index is going to drop underneath and you're going to square up the entire deck. This actually does retain the whole order of the deck, which is kind of cool. As many times as you may want to cut it, with the revolution, it's gonna bring everything back to order. Let me give you just another angle in case it helps out. One more time, you're gonna start in this position here. Your index finger is going to separate out the bottom cards. You're going to bring it up, clear the top one. Then you're gonna repeat the same process by separating this out, clear it over, again. Now at this point, do the revolution. Sounds like a dance move. And square it up. I want to say this one took me about a month after practicing to be able to do it fluidly. The hardest part will probably be the revolution, since that requires your fingers to take different positions that you typically would not. All right, that is a one-handed flourish that I like to use from time to time. Feel free to subscribe to this channel, like this video if you found any value in it, and we will see you guys in the next video.